How does systematics classify primates in biological anthropology? Imagine trying to organize a huge family reunion where everyone looks a little different but still shares some common roots. That's kind of what systematics does with primates. It groups them based on shared traits and genetic clues, showing us how they are all connected through evolution. In biological anthropology, this helps us understand the diversity of primates, how they evolved, and how humans fit into the bigger picture. Primates are part of the class Mammalia, which includes all warm-blooded animals with hair and mammary glands. Within this class, primates belong to the order Primates. This order is split into two main groups called suborders. The first is called Strepsirrhini, often called wet-nosed primates. This group includes lemurs, lorises, and galagos. They tend to relying more on their sense of smell, have a strong grooming tooth comb, and usually have smaller brains compared to their body size. These traits are more similar to early mammals and show their more primitive features. The second suborder is Haplorhini, known as dry-nosed primates. This group includes tarsiers, monkeys, apes, and humans. Haplorhines tend to have larger brains, relying more on sight than smell, and show more complex social behaviors. Humans and apes are part of this group, which indicates a closer relationship among them. Within these suborders, scientists classify primates into smaller groups called infraorders, families, genera, and species. For example, within haplorhines, apes and humans are grouped in the superfamily Hominoidea. This group is characterized by traits like bigger brains, no tails, and more flexible shoulder joints. These features help us tell apes and humans apart from other primates. Systematics uses both physical features and DNA data to classify primates. Physical traits include dental patterns, limb structure, and sensory adaptations. DNA analysis helps confirm relationships that might not be obvious just by looking. For example, scientists once thought tarsiers were more like lemurs, but DNA shows they are actually closer to monkeys and apes. This classification system is important in biological anthropology because it shows how humans are related to other primates. By comparing shared traits, we can trace our evolutionary history and understand how we developed our unique characteristics. It also helps us study primate behavior and biology by seeing what traits we share and what makes us different. In short, systematics classifies primates by putting them into nested groups based on their shared traits and genetic clues. It starts with broad categories like suborders and narrows down to species, helping us see the big picture of primate evolution and our place within it.